you know what hit him?
What?
I don't know. A bomb.
Mummy, I need to learn these.
What are you eating?
Carrot.
Oh,
I need to train this.
soldiers don't eat carrots
What do they do?
in the trenches,
They eat anything that's on offer.
do they? Oh, okay.
Anyway, this isn't in the trenches.
Where is that?
Didn't use tanks in the trenches.
Didn't they? Where's that then?
What do you mean, where's that?
Well, where are you?
World War II.
Oh, World War II. Okay.
They're too small for me. I mean, too big.
Are you leaving the war, Owen?
What are you doing now?
He's had enough.
Oh, for that, oh, that's right here, right? Where is it?
Is that a tank
Oh,
or a
it's
jet?
probably broken.
It's a tank. World War II. I think it's falling apart though. It's not a very strong tank.
That's because it rained last night.
Pardon?
Because it rained last night.
Is there room for another one? Is it just a tank for two?
Just a tank for two.
I know. Hi, I'm holding on here.
This is actually what they did. There was one guy that was driving and steering this gun. He had
Right.
his head poking out the top.
Right.
And there's another guy out the top shooting on the
Okay. I see.
No, babe. He likes the one he's got.
Shall I go now?
No. You may want to take some cover.
Why?
There's a bomb.
Pardon?
There's a bomb.
A bomb? Okay.
Take cover, right? There's a bomb coming.
Is that the cover?
What?
Is that the cover? Is that the cover?
What?
To protect you from the bomb? Oh dear.
Stick this one over, will ya? Okay. It's broken. Okay. 3. Back to plan A. That doesn't give much protection.
Where's the other one? Is he alive?
Back to plan D. Now,
Is the little
no,
one
don't
alive?
chop it.
Oh, I can see its gun.
Now, back to plan D. C. Flee. Owen, get in. Back to plan C. Okay, that's no protection. Okay,
They're
that's
silly, aren't they, Caris?
better. We're saved. Oh yeah, I forgot about that hatch.
Hi there. I'm called Mr. Saw.
We're saved. Ow! Don't stick the saw through.
Oh no, Caris!
I
No,
didn't
be
do it
careful.
on the sharp part, I did.
Oh well, okay, yeah, but don't. I mean, I didn't realise you had that.
I want my mummy.
No, don't put it back in. I don't want Owen. Yeah, I don't want Owen to
I'm
have
doing
it.
it on a wood.
Yeah, but I don't want Owen to have it. Just you keep it.
You're gonna chop his hair. Chop, 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 chop. Yep, you can open that hatch. I'll open this one.
Thank you.
No, you're not having
I
it.
can't even take it.
Don't. Give it
Chop,
back.
chop, 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 chop.
Oh, you stupid! Can you get back here?
It's a hard life, Will. Do you think you better get changed? Can't stay in your pyjamas all day.
Actually, I can.
Actually, you can't.
Actually, I can. She thinks that's the German flag.
What's the German flag?
She thinks that's the German flag.
Is it?
No.
Okay.
The Nazi flag is like that, that, and that.
I'm not worried.
Bomb raid.
That's it.